So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see how to use Prompt Master AI to optimize your prompts. Using tools like Prompt Master AI helps turn simple ideas into high quality detailed prompts for better AI results. So let's see how to do it. Firstly, open your browser, then go to the Prompt Master AI website. You'll see a text box to describe your idea. Just sign up before you do so you get the full features. Now, write a simple idea like cinematic YouTube thumbnail, realistic AI portrait, or product ad image. Keep it short, the tool expands it for you. Just describe what you want. Now, when you're done, click Generate. The tool will add details, improve structure, and include style keywords. Now, all you have to do is just copy the prompt generated, then paste it in tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. You'll get better, more consistent outputs. For example, let's do your input is futuristic city. Optimized output is ultra-detailed futuristic cyberpunk city at night, neon lights, cinematic lighting, 8K, highly detailed wide-angle, atmospheric fog. That's the optimized output that's gonna give you a good result, better than the old one. Just add context like YouTube thumbnail, cinematic, or photorealistic. Mention lightning, style and camera angle, and regenerate multiple times for variations. It saves time, improves quality, and helps beginners write pro-level prompts. So treat it as a starting point, then tweak manually for best results. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more if this tutorial helped you out.